Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen gadget that's seriously changed my meal prep game. The Meal Prep MVP Vegetable Chopper, Slicer, and Spiralizer. Let's be honest, chopping vegetables can be a real drag. It's time-consuming, messy, and sometimes even dangerous. But with the Meal Prep MVP, it's actually enjoyable. This all-in-one kitchen wonder comes with a whopping 12 interchangeable blades. That's right, 12. Allowing you to dice, slice, julienne, grate, spiralize, and more. It's basically a mini food processor in your countertop, and honestly, it's a game changer. Imagine this. No more tears while chopping onions, no more struggling to get even slices, and no more dull knives. The Meal Prep MVP makes it all so easy. The included food holder is a lifesaver. It securely grips your vegetables, keeping your fingers far away from the sharp blades. This is a huge plus for anyone who's ever accidentally nicked themselves while chopping. Plus, the container catches all the chopped veggies, minimizing mess and making cleanup a breeze. You can literally go from a whole vegetable to perfectly chopped pieces in seconds. Now, let's talk about the versatility. This isn't just a vegetable chopper, it's a culinary powerhouse. I've used it to prep salads, stir-fries, soups, and even homemade coleslaw. The spiralizer attachment is particularly fun. It turns zucchini into delicious zoodles in seconds. And with the grating blade, I can quickly shred cheese for pizzas or pasta dishes. The possibilities are truly endless. Of course, no product is perfect. While the Meal Prep MVP is incredibly versatile, it might not be the best option for very large vegetables or for shredding hard cheeses. It also requires a bit of assembly and disassembly, which might not be ideal for everyone. And let's be honest, with 12 blades, it can take a little while to figure out which one you need for each task. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Meal Prep MVP has significantly improved my cooking experience. It's saved me countless hours in the kitchen, has made meal prep much more enjoyable, and has even inspired me to try new recipes. If you're looking to streamline your meal prep, eat healthier, and maybe even rediscover your love for cooking, the Meal Prep MVP is definitely worth checking out. I've included a link in the description below where you can purchase the Meal Prep MVP. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this product or have any other favorite kitchen gadgets. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews. Thanks for watching.